Hello, fishing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you anglers out there. We're diving into the world of fishing with the Sharpshooter fly fishing rod from the American Heritage series. This 4-piece, 9-foot beauty has been making waves in the fishing community. And we're here to tell you why it's considered one of the best fishing rod blanks available in the market. Let's kick things off with an overview of the Sharpshooter fly fishing rod. This rod is designed for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, making it incredibly versatile for all your fishing adventures. Its fast-action design ensures precision casting, making it easier to reach those elusive fish. One of the standout features of this rod is its construction. Made from 100% carbon fiber, it offers the perfect balance of strength, sensitivity, and durability. This means you'll have the power you need to reel in those trophy fish. But that's not all. The Sharpshooter fly fishing rod comes as part of a combo, including a precision-engineered fly reel and a specially selected 6WT fly line. This ensures optimal performance in various fishing conditions, giving you superior buoyancy and minimal memory for smoother casts and better control. The reel itself boasts a LW 5/6 size, offering smooth and reliable drag for those intense battles with fish. It's lightweight yet sturdy, giving you a balanced feel and easy handling. So, why do we believe this is the best fishing rod blanks option on the market? Well, it all boils down to the attention to detail and the exceptional value this combo offers. With Sharpshooter, you're getting a premium fly rod, reel, and line, all expertly crafted to enhance your fishing experience. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some anglers who've had the pleasure of using the Sharpshooter fly fishing rod. It's an absolute game changer. The Sharpshooter fly fishing rod feels incredibly light, yet it's got the power to handle some serious fish. I've used it in various conditions, and it's never let me down. The combo with the reel and fly line is a dream come true. Casting with this setup is smooth as butter. It's the best investment I've made for my fishing gear. So there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Sharpshooter fly fishing rod from the American Heritage series. If you're serious about fly fishing and want the best in the market, this combo should be at the top of your list. It's all about the precision, the power, and the passion for fishing that this rod represents. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth product critiques on Product Critique. Tight lines and happy fishing!